Of course, she's Mama Jane.
Kami ang La Familia Malaysia at hero namin si Mama Jane. Of course, siya si Mama Jane. Super cool at game na game, lalong-lalo na sa Kodakan. Sa kung sulok man ng mundo, anumang hugis at kulay ng mga litrato.
Siya si Mama Jane. Of course, expert din siyang mag-selfie.
Of course, si Mama Jane ay hindi nagpapahuli sa mga uso. Chismis? Check. Personality? Check. Or mapa-apps? Check. No problem.
Mama Jane has the potential to be a good food blogger or influencer. Mama Jane is a certified plantita bago pa makausap ang ganito pandemya.
Siya si Mama Jane. Of course, shoulder bag is a must on her OOTD.
Siya si Mama Jane. May paninindigan sa kanyang mga paniniwala.
Mama Jane is a very caring mother, but mostly applauded and appreciated as a better half of our beloved father, Papa Bay.
Of course, she is Papa Bay, as we all do.
Of course, she is Mama Jane, our heroine and queen. And today, she is celebrating her 75 years of age, full of beauty, wisdom, and blessedness.
We love Mama Jane.
You give me strength to carry on. Thank you, Mama Jane.
We love you, Mama Jane.
Take care always, Mama Jane.
Good health, Mama Jane.
More blessings, Mama Jane.
Happy birthday, Mama Jane. We love you.
See you soon.